Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'll show you how to get Gemini application on your iPhone. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you want to open App Store on your device, and now let's go to search and tab at the bottom side of the screen, and now at the top tap on search in bar. Now you want to type Gemini application, tap on the result, and from the list of results you want to tap on Gemini and then press download button. So let's wait until it's downloaded. And right after that, you will see button open on your screen. Let's press that button. And then you want to sign in using your Google account. So I will press continue like this. I'll tap no thanks. Okay, it wants me to press use Gemini button, and then basically you are ready to use your Gemini application on your iPhone. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.